Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how DeepSeek Ngram boosts the large language models, what it does and why people are calling it a game changer for the AI performance. So first of all, let's just understand what is DeepSeek Ngram. So in basic language, an Ngram is like a memory unit. DeepSeek Ngram refers to a technique that lets an AI model store and recall the structured memory patterns, kind of like how humans can refer the key facts or the relationships instead of every tiny details. The traditional LLMs generate the responses based on the patterns they have learned during the training, but they don't store the new memories during a conversation. This means they can forget the context from the earlier in the chat and fail to connect the facts as a conversation as it grows longer. So DeepSeek Ngram changes this by giving the model a persistent memory system which is integrated into its architecture. Instead of starting every conversation fresh, the model can remember the facts, the past interactions and useful patterns, then use them later when it is needed. You can think of it like this. Without Ngram memory, the model relies only on the text it sees right now. With DeepSeek Ngram, the model can recall the relevant information even after many messages has been engaged. So DeepSeek Ngram achieves this by embedding the memory directly into the AI's processing layers. So the model doesn't just generate the text, it actively retrieves the stored representations to influence its answers. So this approach is powerful because it bridges the gap between the short-term context and long-term memory, making AI much more useful for the context or for the complex tasks like multi-step reasoning, planning, or ongoing projects. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.